So there may come a time in your trucking career when you're trying to either raise or lower the landing gear on a trailer, and the trailer is so poorly taken care of that the handle for it just snaps right off. Well, that's not good. So what the hell do you do? Well, hopefully you can get under the trailer and find a hole somewhere along this crossbar to get right up in there, stick a screwdriver or maybe a pair of pliers up in there to twist either left or the right to raise or lower your landing gear that way. It'll suck, but in my case, I can lift it back up and I can get back out on the road. This is why it is very important to have at the very least some basic hand tools, screwdriver, pair of pliers, like a rubber mallet for your tires, or just anything that could help you in the short term to get you to where you're going, and then you can go to a shop and get proper repairs done. It's just gotta think outside the box sometimes. Be safe out there.